Here we are on a call at No Cool for one of the rooms downstairs. All of these units are all on EMS handover controls on BACnet, and we're going to be checking. This is our unit here we're going to be working on today, and it's a Trane. Let's see, 4-ton, yeah, 4-ton unit. So yeah, it's a 4-ton Trane, model number YHC048. You get it. 2011 manufacturing date. Let's see. Got a return open, and we do got airflow. Our motors running. So all that's good. We'll check all that. We're getting a signal on the front end. It should be calling for cooling. The compressor should be on. The room temperature is about 78 degrees. It's just a little warm. So it is sending the signal. Here it is. The Trane. The Schneider electric controls up here. And yeah, so it's pretty basic. Right off the bat, just from coming up here, I see a lot of oil on the piping and the tubing. So my suspicion right off the bat is it's probably a leak and it's low on charge. Off at the pressure control, pressure switch already. See all that? It's probably hard to see, but it's right in there. So I gotta see how much, if there's anything in there or not, and take it from there. Start pressurizing and try to find the leak and get it all fixed up. Need dryer. So we'll be working on this. Keep you updated. All right. So let's check. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see what I got. Alright. I'll try to do this with one hand. I still have working with my iPhone, so bear with me. Working on getting a camera or a GoPro or something. It is 410, 11 pounds in this baby. All right. Zero, no pounds, nada. So we got a leak somewhere. It's completely flat. Like I said, I'm suspecting it's somewhere around here, somewhere around the compressor area. There's a lot of stuff filled with oil. So here comes the fun part. All right, keep you guys updated. So first thing I'm doing right now is just washing the coils, washing all the piping, the tubing, all the oil, get it all off, just clean it up, get all the dirt out.
Nobody like to be in my place instead of me, cause nobody go crazy when I'm banging on my boogie. I'm a king without a crown, hanging loose in a big town, but I'm a king of bongo, baby. I'm the king of bongo bong. King of the bongo, king of the bongo. Hear me when I come, baby. King of the bongo, king of the bongo.
Alright guys, I'm all set up here. Got my nitrogen, got my gauges hooked up, everything. Put about 50 pounds right now just to. This was a pretty big leak. Everything was flat. There was oil everywhere. So I got my TechMate. This is what I've been using for a few years now, and I'm really enjoying it. I know it gets mixed reviews, but let's see. Pretty much you just run it down piping. Go a little slower if you like. You little impatient sometimes, but on these units, these particular Trane ones, I got a little heads up from a coworker, and say he's had problems with these right about, let me see, the T right here where it branches off from the condenser. See that? Somewhere around there. I still haven't sprayed some bubbles on it just to pinpoint it, but that was the first little location that I had seen. Whoa, my detector go off on. I don't want to show you everything. You get the point of these things. All right, let me see. Switch over. I'm gonna spray everything out. It's somewhere around here. It shouldn't be too hard to find. So I'm just gonna spray everything. Put a little bit more nitrogen in there, and just for sure. Sometimes I start low. You have bigger leaks, a little bit less pounds in there, a little bit less pressure. It'll bubble up nice. When you over pressurize it, sometimes just shoots the soap solution right off. Can't pinpoint it. All right, guys. On the leak. You can see right in there is a little crack on the right on the side. It's a small one, so. Not too bad. Alright, so I went ahead and welded up the crack, sealed it. I tried to replace the T. I did go out and I didn't have one, and I went out to go get one, and I should have checked before taking off. I tried cutting the T out carefully, but it's having a little hard time. I didn't want to damage the bends, and couldn't find my little tiny 10 hacksaw, and so just put some rod on there. It's holding up now. It's pressurized. The new dryer in there as well. Supply house didn't have the 5/16 OEM filter dryer that Trane uses for these lines, for the 5/16 line. How to modify it, make it fit with the 3/8. So not too bad, I suppose. Alright, so it's pressurized, checking everything. I'm gonna pressurize it a little bit more and let it sit for a bit. Alright. Alright, so I've already gotten the bleach repaired, new dryer, everything pressurized, held up, for a certain amount of time. No leaks, double checked everything. Now just putting the battery, got my vacuum and my FM4s. I use this as a built-in micron gauge. It's a small system, it doesn't take too long, so let it do its thing. Alright, so I got a few pounds in there. Took about 8 pounds initially, and I'm just topping it off now. It takes 11 pounds. We're at 9, almost 9.5. So we're almost there. Just gonna weigh by, charge it in by weight. Yeah. Alright, let me just charge it up and double check it right now once it's all fully charged. We got our unit up and running now, and fully charged. Put 11 pounds in there. Check my split, it's good. Subcool. Pretty new system, so No problems. It's up and running now, and temperature dropping. Alright, well, it's kind of big, so.
The king of humble town. Hit me when I come. Hit me when I come, baby.